95, 97.
Camaraderie and strength. As we begin these games, we ask for your protection and for a feeling of joy in our competition. Protect all participants from injury. Help us to play with integrity, to treat our opponents with respect, and to accept both victory and defeat with grace and humility.
Shout out kay Vincent Ilagan.
Yeah. Kuya Arms, pasensya na. Kami ang nandito.
But not the least, from batch 2000 is Daniel Eric Leonelas.
Alis na ulit! Bigay mo! Pagpag mo, mare! Pagpag mo! Pagpag mo! Woohoo! Ito ngayon ko pa nahilang hayop. Hinilig ko ito. Yari ka. Kasama sa video. Pusuin mo! Pusuin mo!
Perseverance and pride for Nota. As we begin this season, let us remember
Sportsmanship go. Okay, so may everyone. In-invite po natin lahat ng mga players na at itaas po natin ang ating kanang.
Anong pa daw?
At sumunod na lamang sa babasa.
Nashtag ni ating katang kamay, pero English pa.
Yun!
Tagalogin mo nila ako.
Ay!
State your name. Representing
Representing Batch 2000.
who hereby solemnly swear
Do hereby solemnly swear
participate in this Alumni Sports Fest 2026
to participate in this alumni
in the true spirit of sportsmanship.
in the true spirit of sportsmanship.
I promise to abide
I promise to abide
by the rules and regulations
by the rules and regulations
govern these games,
that govern this game,
to respect the decisions of the officials,
to respect the decisions of the officials,
and to play with fairness,
and to play with fairness, integrity,
and honor.
I
I pledge to complete with all my strength.
pledge to complete
With all my strength.
To complete.
teammates, and to respect my opponents.
and to respect my opponents,
Win or lose.
win or lose.
All this for the glory of sports
All this for the glory of sport
and the unity of our community.
and the unity of our community.
Please remain standing. And let's sing. God of peace.
Nasa ka sasakyan, okay? Nakadalwa ka na?
Sabihin lang pala, gumalang sa matanda.
Ito na hawak mo.
Abe, gagaya mo pa ako sa'yo.
Talo sa'yo. Gagaya mo nga pa naman sa inyo.